Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about Bluestacks. So, if you do not know, Bluestacks is an emulator from Android, okay? And I'm going to be running on one of the apps. Guys, you can just set me down in the comments below, and you can tell me what if you actually want to play any of these other apps on the emulator, right? So, first I think let's start off with some basics opening on Play Store. Let's see if it goes actually very smoothly or not. And we're gonna see if it all works properly. So let's click open Play Store. Right. Play Store's different apps right here. All your it goes good for this one. Right, so oh, what's this? What's this? Doesn't matter, guys. Let's go back home. Now let's actually play one of sorry. Let's open one of the apps. Let's try. What about Fruit Ninja first? Okay. Let's see if it runs smoothly or is just not the best. We'll see. Okay, we have to wait it load. Let it just load for us for a second or two. Okay, looks like it's loading. Fruit Ninja is definitely loading pretty fast. Really fast. Oh, it's pretty loud. Sorry. It's not fully done loading yet. Classic. Say you slug it out too. It's a puzzle, so I've tried out. Right, let's do our review. Okay, so overall, Bluestacks performance, I would rate it about 5 out of 10. It wasn't the best. The music was a bit laggy, even though I enabled VT. And lastly, the speed was okay, so I'd give that maybe a 6. It's a bit better. But the music, it was like glitching very much, so I'll give that a 2. So overall, 5, right. So 5 plus 6 plus, 5 plus 6 plus, right, 2, right? I'm not sure. But yeah, right. So those are my ratings for Bluestacks. You should, I recommend you should do it. My one was just a bit of a personal computer, so that's why I think it was maybe a little buggy. But I think that if you get like a really good high performance laptop, I think it'll work great on that. But I don't really know. But yeah, that's all I gotta say for today's video, and we'll see you later. See you later.